Hello, I hope you're doing well. I'm standing in my pool. As you can see, nothing's been started yet. That's another story. Soon. Ish. Now you may be thinking from the title, haven't you already, like not that long ago, distressed a mirror from the back? Made it look old? Well, guys, I have this old mirror, but I don't like it. Let me explain. It's what I consider a fun ground mirror. Fun ground isn't really the right word. Like a circus carnival type mirror. It's one of those mirrors that has that really wonky reflection. It's not glass. It's not mirror. I don't mean glass. It's just weird. Like you can't even see in it properly. Do you know what I mean? It's almost distorted against the gross pool. Anyway, today I'm just going to go for it. If you saw my previous video of me taking the grey off the back, the paint, I was quite cautious. I didn't actually do a lot of making it look old. Today I have a different plan. I'm just going to go for it with the paint stripper and make it look more rusty. So this is going to be really interesting. I can't guarantee it's going to work, but if it doesn't work, you won't know. I just won't put this video up. I was literally going to throw it away. I was having a clean out and I thought to myself, I love that aged mirror look. I really have nothing to lose. Like sometimes when I paint and do stuff with stuff, I don't use gloves, but I think in this case it's quite important because you're using paint stripper and bleach. I've got my paint stripper. So on the instructions for my one it says to leave on for at least an hour, but I don't think I'll leave it on that long. If you're using normal paint stripper, I'd really suggest you do it outside. So I'm in the old spa pool area. It is gross. But one day will look lovely. Okay, always pull my sleeves up. I'm literally going to get this and pour it all over the back of the mirror. Just a new brush that I can throw away. You can see it's been on for about 15 minutes and it's starting to go a little bit yellow in places. It's definitely not ready yet to take off. It's like a big science experiment. I was never very good at science at school. I just zoomed you in a bit more and I've just been checking every 5 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes now. Excuse me, there's a cow somewhere in the neighbours making a noise. Poor cow. Sorry if you can hear it. It's probably in labour or something. I don't know when cows have babies. I digress. Sorry about all the little lights. Not lights, they're just light. Okay, I'm going to start scraping it and swishing it all around. So it's been about 30 minutes. Oh, it's been about 30 minutes total. And I'm just going to kind of see what happens. Okay, I've got most of it off. I'm just going to put a little bit of water on it to help it come off a little bit more, the end bits, and clean it up a bit. It's amazing how much is still on there and you don't realise. Okay, so I probably need to go get another cloth and just wipe it a bit more. The fun part, the bleach. This is half water and half bleach. So I'm going to start spraying it around the corners. Edges, I always say corners, I mean edges. So as you can see, it's the next day. And I stopped filming yesterday because I sprayed the bleach on and the weather turned as well at the same time. But I kept checking the bleach for it to go black. And it should go black within 30 seconds. And it never happened. I spent hours. And I think it's the mirror. You know how I said it was like a distorted type mirror? I think these are the really cheap mirrors. And they just don't work. Because if you've ever done a mirror this way, and I have, you know that the bleach should instantly make it look black. So I just put it in the woodshed for the night. The cow's still mowing, the poor thing, unless it's another one. But I have seen some baby calves around, the neighbours, farmers. They're so cute. So I'm just wondering what I'm going to do. I'll show you what happened on the other side. There's just no black. There's kind of like marks where I've wiped off the bleach, but yeah, it hasn't worked. So what I'm thinking is, I really don't know what I'm thinking. Okay, where I am with the mirror, it has just gone completely not how I imagined it. So I just think if the mirror's old, the frame has to be like old too, so there's a bit of the frame missing, some marks on it, some previous colour coming through. So it's Terri here. Hi, I'm just editing this video. Honestly guys, I didn't even know whether I was going to put it up, but you know, you could think it was a waste of all that hard work at the beginning, getting all the paint off the back. But that's okay, I really love how it worked out. Who knew?